Hi, I'm Craig Kellett. We live in Gomersall, which is just outside Bradford. We heard about Coral Windows through TV advertising. We did some research and we saw the reviews and they all looked really good, so we decided to get them round for a price. We had very traditional windows to start off with. We were looking for a design that was a bit different, let more lighting, and Coral worked with us on that design and delivered exactly what we had in our mind. The difference it's made to the look of the house is unbelievable. It's just exceeded our expectations. Overall, couldn't be happier. The installation was great from beginning to end. It was all planned in really well. We had fascias and soffits done the first week, and then the second week they came back and then they did the windows. Everything was perfect. They all worked really clean, really friendly, and you couldn't tell they worked so quickly and efficiently. Couldn't recommend Coral highly enough. From beginning to end, from the first conversations in the showroom, people coming around to do the quote, do the full site survey and the installation, everything's been perfect. We knew it would be good, but it just exceeded the expectations. Overall, very happy and would highly recommend.